Odisha Cabinet has approved 10 proposals in a meeting on Wednesday, which includes the decision to launch Godavarish Misra Adarsh Prathamik Vidyalaya scheme in every panchayat in the state with an aim to complete the project by 2028. Chakradhar Rana, affectionately known as the Papad Man, has spent over 50 years in Udala in Mayurbhanj. To support his family, he walks 30 to 40 kilometers while carrying a load of papads on his head, selling papad for rupees 10 per piece, which started at 5 paise per piece. A group of 41 Indian fishermen, recently arrested by the Sri Lankan Navy for their alleged engagement in cross-border fishing activities, arrived at Chennai airport. Of the 41 fishermen, 35 had been detained near Kachchathivu on September 8, 2024. The central government has entrusted Amrit Mohan Prasad, the Director General of Sashastra Seema Bal, with the additional charge of Director General, Bureau of Civil Aviation Security. This decision reflects the government's confidence in Prasad's leadership. Chief Minister Mohan Charan Majhi has announced an increase in the monthly risk allowance of Special Operations Group Jawans from Rs 8,000 to Rs 25,000. The hike came a day after 14 Maoists were gunned down in a joint operation in Odisha-Chhattisgarh border area. With an aim to enhance the global competitiveness of India's diamond sector, the government has introduced the Diamond Impressed Authorization Scheme that will be implemented from April 1. The scheme provides the streamlined mechanism for duty-free import of natural cut and polished diamonds. The BJP unveiled a new campaign song for the upcoming Delhi Assembly elections, invoking the Ram Temple in Ayodhya to resonate with voters. The song title, "Jo Ram ko lekar aaye, unka Raj hoga Delhi mein," highlights key issues faced by Delhi residents. As many as 157 men had applied to avail the benefits of the Subhadra Yojana, a women-centric welfare scheme launched by the government of Odisha, informed Deputy CM Prabhati Parida. She also urged migrant women living outside the state to apply to avail the benefits. The Central Board of Direct Taxes has notified amendments in the income tax rules to prescribe conditions for applicability of presumptive taxation regime for non-resident cruise ship operators, according to an official statement. Fiji Prime Minister Sithiweni Ligamamda Rabuka effusively praised PM Narendra Modi and called him the real boss of the world, heaping praise on PM Modi for his mantra of Sabka Saath Sabka Vikas, adding that PM Modi has become an icon for peace and Hindus all over the world. The T20 World Champions India is all set to take the field against England in the first T20 of 5-match series at the Eden Gardens in Kolkata. The men in blue, led by Surya Kumar Yadav, will be bolstered with the return of pace veteran Mohammad Sami.
जदि आपंक आम भिडी भल लगा तेब आम चैनल को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करने को जमा भी भूलु नहीं।